Okay, let's see my homework. The first part. The first part, create and apply migration that adds the director field to the movies table. Okay, for resolve this, we create a migration. For create migration in the folder db, migrate add director to movies. Okay, this is very easy. The migrations have a method that change it's for uh, adding a column when the migration rises up, and remove the columns when the migration rises down, get down. In this example, we add a column in the table movies and add field director of type string. And I think that, okay, remember that once the migration is applied, you also have to do rake, db, test, prepare to load the new post-migration schema into the database. Basically, this explains that the db test database is the database when we interactive in the test. And using this command, you apply this migration in the test database. Okay, with the director field available in the movies table, we prepare to the part 2. Okay, read me. Oh, the scroll. New file. Read me. Oh no. Read me. Please read me. Oh. Oh. This read me. Oh, okay. Let's see. Read me. The part 2. We provide 3 cucumber scenarios. These scenarios, these movie steps. Oh, okay. Let's see for the readme better. Okay. The director, feature director. Search by director. This name file is a name that I choose because this is related to the functionality, search by director. So search for movies by director. This is the code, and I pass them in here. Has a movie buff so that I can movies with my favorite director. I want to include and search on director information in movies I enter. Background, movies in the database. In the last homework, we see this powerful feature of Cucumber that so in this file, movie steps, we get the movies table. Oh, feature. This is the movies table. This is passed as argument with Cucumber because given in the movie steps is a method. The follow exists semicolon. It's the regular expression that I match this literally. The following movies exist. The following movies exist, and this tells to Cucumber that using the table has a array. No, how object. When the first row is the keys of those objects. By example, the first object will be title Star Wars, rating PG, key director George Lucas, key release date 1970. Oh yeah. Well, create this movie in the database test to have available to the others features. So the others steps. Okay, the scenario. Add director to existing movie. This is only text. Then, when I go to the edit page for Alien, I think so. I go to the edit page for Alien. The edit page it's included in this file. This file have a lot of common functionality in the page. I check, I choose, you'll see the edit, no, movie steps, no, oh, the edit page is, I go to, when I go to a page. In this case, I go to the edit page for Alien. I go to the edit page for Alien. Oh, the README says oh, support. I need README in better format. Okay. Oh, I don't remember that. How to reveal run this file now. No. Oh, no. In edit find view, go to run tools. Oh no. There. Okay. We continue. Require pulse. Oh. Go to the edit page for the alien. Well, in the paths in the support folder, we have the paths RB file, and in this contains all the paths of our application has. By example, the Rotten Potatoes homepage, and in this case, we add this regular expression that use this wildcard. In this wildcard, the edit page. Let's see in this view. The edit page. Oh, this is this. When check this out. Check this idea. When I go to is present in web steps I go to, and anything is this. So this is applied for the path2 function. Function includes in here in paths. I go to in paths have the path2 method, and I use the page name, the edit page for alien, and adding in here. Then in the path, in the method path2, I check the edit page space optional for page 4. How this is the word more important for me, because take the title of the movie, and I use them this much for searching in the database test the movie selected. In this case, I take this. Ruby stores this in this variable, and if I could be a lot of match, this is the number of the index of that match, like 1 if I have another match will be I take the variable 2. Oh, okay, my English is very silly, very silly. When I take these columns and I take this match in this variable, and I search record where and the title variable, and this this is an array of models active record, and this array, it's a array relation or some kind of, and I take the first match and take the ID of the movie selected and call the edit movie path using this ID. This is a helper of Rails created, and I check rake routers. Okay, this. Okay, edit movie. This prefix edit movie have a helper, and the helper path using this, and the helper path needs the ID, and in this case I provide this ID at the edit movie, the prefix on the routes, and the helper path, and finally this is movies. The ID in this case, alien is in the third ID, third edit. Okay, very easy. This path 2 returns. Check this. Returns this string. Movies 3 edit, and edit, and this result is it's evaluated evaluated. Okay, it's evaluated in here, in visit. Visit, no, in here. Visit is a function of Capybara, and change the browser for the path given. Okay, and I feel it's another regular expression that adding in a field with this name using this string. Okay, very easy. I press update movie info. Another I press using I press click a button that have text update movie info. I press click button. This is very powerful of Capybara. Search, if I use the ID Capybara searching for me the button and click them. Then the director of alien should be Ridley Scott. Okay, the director of. Check this. The director. This is very specifically. And because this I create in the movie steps this, because it's very specifically for my tests, my cucumber tests. And okay, the director of the first match in here should be my second match in here. I call the first match movie title, and the second match director name. And in Cucumber, the two options it's valid using a block that receive in the arguments the matches, or use the Ruby global variables for matches 1, 2 in this case, match and the second match. For more clarity, I prefer in this case this syntax, and use this is for on other versions of Cucumber or RSpec, and this is the recommended way to have this work using assert more clearly. Assert page has content movie title. The movie title is the first match, and search Ridley Scott by the director name. Also. Okay, this is very clearly, and the other features has very similar. Okay, this is I don't have a partner for this homework, and thanks for this, for take a moment for listen my my freaking English. It's very difficult for me talking in English, but this course is incredible. This cucumber features, RSpec features, and the techniques learning this course are invaluable. Okay, thanks and bye. I hope you see in the next semester in the advanced course. Bye.